Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to your update on Hedera and the Hbar coin, which, well, I had to cover it again. I mean, yesterday we covered it. I covered it the day before as well. It's kind of becoming a daily update, but it's necessary and definitely deserved. Yesterday, the last thing we talked about is this level around 8.6, 8.7 cents. And what I said is that, well, if we are actually able to close on top of that, which we barely did, but we did do it. If we're actually able to close on top of that, I don't think we'll find that much resistance at 9.2. In the end, we did not. We only took a break retest. And we'll get up to that level around 10 cents, which is the level we're nearing right now. At the very top, we reached 9.85 cents. So 10 cents has not been reached yet. But it does look like it's coming. So I just wanted to make an update on that. A full technical update. I also have a trade I'm going to take on Hbar, which might be interesting to you. And we'll briefly start with the fundamentals. I always like to do that. I think you should stay up to date on that as well. It's very important, and it also allows you to analyze cryptos better, I feel. So Hbar right now, volume still, well, not even that amazing compared to the market cap, but that has also been always been the case. Hedera just has a very high market cap. Markets are still a little bit shady if you take a look at the source of the volume. There's still some volume sources which I do not like BYBIT, but we talked about that yesterday and the day before as well. And it's just a situation. I think there's a little bit more risk relatively around Hbar right now, but that isn't the end of the world either, right? So we just have to know that that's how it is. Apart from that, the Hedera chain has been very, very bullish. It's now at place number 23. Up 27%, and if you take a look at what the other chains are in total value locked, this is Hedera is doing great. It's now at its all-time high at $175 million in total value locked. So all of that definitely helps this move. It's also partially caused by this move, of course. But now the main question is can we break through 10 cents? We managed to break through 8.6, 8.7, we managed to break through 9.3, but now we're at 10 cents, which is really the strongest level we've yet encountered. As you can see, historically, technically, it's a very strong level. It's a psychological resistance level. I can check if there's on the daily there's something, not really, but still it's a very strong level. What we essentially want to do, just in theory, is we want to break above that to get up to our next price target at 11 cents. But I'm actually going to make quite a risky and quite a bold prediction here. And that's also linked to my trade. I think that we're not going to be able to break through the 10 cents. I think because of the risk of the volume, but apart from that, also the entire market, which is right now, it's still bullish compared to a month ago. It's not that bullish compared to 2 weeks ago. So I think in general, even though I like Hedera a lot, I think from 10 cents we're at least going to find some resistance, at least some. I could be wrong about that, of course. In general, it's this. We want to break above 10 cents to get to 11 cents. Could this still happen in the future? Sure. But I think it's more likely that we are going to find resistance around this level. Drop down to 9.2, find some support there, but then also drop down to 8.5. Then from there we'll see again, because if we actually really want to get to 11 cents, we would need to hold 8.5 as a support. Find support there, and then eventually at some point break above 9.3 again, all right? Just to get some sort of a bullish momentum or a bullish breakout and therefore bullish momentum. Then I think we can push through 10 cents and get to 11. And just to be completely honest with you, I could be wrong. There's a lot of bullish momentum in Hbar right now. We could break above 10 cents now and we'll get up to 11 cents. It's just, I have to be honest with you, it's just not what I expect. It's not my most likely scenario. So one thing I'm debating is to open a short position around like 9.95 or just market order it here, to be honest, and do something like this. I think this is a great trade. I mean, it has a 3.11 risk reward. It allows you some breathing space as well. It's not financial advice, of course, but it's my way of being transparent with you. So maybe there's some, maybe that also makes me biased in my analysis. Could very well be. Now, I'll leave that up to you to decide. For now, though, this was my take on Hbar. If you do have any questions, let me know. For now, take care and bye.